In front of me is a SHARP Aquos C10, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from Settings scroll all the way down to Other Settings, and you should find Storage Settings. And at the bottom you'll find your SD card. It's below the internal storage, so right here, SD card. And as the last option for the SD card, you have Erase SD card. So you want to tap on this. Gives you a message that will remove all the data from it. So if you have something that you would like to keep on that card, you might want to back it up before you begin the process. But assuming you don't, all you need to do now is just press Erase and Format. Process begins, you have a progress, and once it's finished, the card will be immediately ready to be used again, like it is right now. So tap on Done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.